What's up, guys? Today is February 11th, and I am here with none other than Eli. Say hello. Yeah. He is eating his favorite strawberries. Yeah. And today is Thursday. Yay! That means food or utensil. We are going with strawberries today. I set up something over here in the natural light. So the one that was in the center that made the heart, he just ate. But it's that and then the flowers. We'll see what happens. Guys, I gotta say, I mean, today is, I think, the 42nd day of this challenge. And this is probably one of the toughest things I've ever did, no doubt. If anybody ever does the 365-day challenge and has this bright idea to put it on YouTube, you better watch these videos and you better have a lot of determination because it's going to take a lot. And it's going to take a lot of support if you have a family. And I can say that for sure. I can really say thank you to Jackie because without her, I would have failed a long time ago. But anyways, I'm going to cut this short. I didn't do nothing special. Natural light, and then it was the EOS RP Canon, that one, with 55 to 250 lens, or yeah, 55 to 250 lens. Most of them is 100 ISO. I like that because it doesn't give that greeniest look to it. And then, let's see, it's like an f4.5 or f5 or something like that. So we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let me know which ones you like the best. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and we'll go from there. Give us a thumbs up, that'd be great, and hit the subscribe button, that'd be great too. Alright guys, y'all have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow for Wild Card.